Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen gadget that promises to simplify your cooking and expand your culinary horizons. We're talking about the 2.5-liter electric cooker hot pot, a 800-watt marvel designed for versatility and ease of use. Let's start with what immediately sets this cooker apart, its double-layer design. This isn't just a hot pot. It's advertised as being both a grill and a hot pot, offering a more versatile cooking experience right out of the box. This means you could potentially be searing some vegetables on the top while simultaneously simmering a broth or stew below. This dual functionality is a big draw for those looking to save space and time in the kitchen, especially in smaller apartments or dorm rooms. Another key feature is its adjustability. With 3 levels of fire: low, medium, and high, you have direct control over the cooking temperature. This is crucial for achieving the perfect results, whether you're gently simmering a delicate soup or searing meats at a higher heat. The ability to fine-tune the firepower allows you to adapt to different ingredients and cooking methods, preventing overcooking or undercooking. Now, let's talk about practicality. The non-stick coating on the cooking surface is a big deal. Made from food-grade materials, it's designed for easy food release and, crucially, simple cleaning. No one enjoys scrubbing burnt-on food, so a reliable non-stick surface can make the difference between a favorite appliance and one that gathers dust. This feature should allow your food to move smoothly, preventing those frustrating sticking incidents. The multifunctionality of this electric hot pot is also a significant selling point. The product description suggests it can replace various traditional stoves and kitchen utensils. This is a bold claim, but the features hint at its potential. It's designed to handle frying, stewing, braising, and stir-frying. Imagine making a full meal, from searing your protein to simmering a sauce, all in one pot. This kind of all-in-one capability can dramatically streamline meal preparation and cleanup. Durability and capacity are also important considerations. The 2.5-liter pot body is a generous size, suitable for small families or for entertaining a few guests. It's practical and convenient, and the design suggests it will look good on any countertop. Aesthetically, the product appears to have a clean, modern design that would fit well in most kitchens. So, what are the pros and cons of this 2.5-liter electric cooker hot pot? On the positive side, the versatility is outstanding. The double-layer design and the ability to perform multiple cooking functions like frying, stewing, and stir-frying are significant advantages. The adjustable heat settings offer excellent control, and the non-stick coating promises easy cooking and cleaning. The 2.5-liter capacity is suitable for many household needs, and its portable nature makes it great for smaller spaces. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While it's advertised as a multifunctional replacement for traditional stoves, it's important to manage expectations. For very large families or for cooking multiple complex dishes simultaneously, a single unit might still have limitations. The 800-watt power, while decent, might mean slightly longer cooking times for some tasks compared to a high-powered gas burner. Also, while the non-stick coating is a great feature, its long-term durability can vary between brands and models, so it's something to keep an eye on. The packaging list does include a steam grid and lid, which is good for expanding its use for steaming. Overall, this 2.5-liter electric cooker hot pot seems like a very promising and practical kitchen appliance. Its focus on versatility, ease of use, and multifunctionality makes it an attractive option for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone who enjoys efficient cooking, this cooker might be a valuable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Link in the description.